Hello girls, let me ask you a question. Can you swim during your menstrual periods? Yes, you can. With Everteen Menstrual Cup, you can swim, dance or do anything without any worry of leaks or changes. Those days are gone when period used to affect your movement or participation in activities. Now don't let period come in your way. Use Everteen Menstrual Cup and be unstoppable. Everteen Menstrual Cup gives you longest protection of 12 hours. 100% safe and very easy to use. Made of medical grade silicone. No more skin irritation and rashes. Reusable for as long as 10 years. Saves money and saves environment. Everteen Menstrual Cup is available in two sizes, small and large. Small cup, it has a capacity to hold menstrual fluid up to 23 ml. Large cup, it has a capacity to hold menstrual fluid up to 30 ml. Menstrual cup makes periods so easy that you feel a complete life transformation. After getting used to menstrual cup, the first statement you will ever say is that, "Why you did not tell me about cups before?" Everteen Menstrual Cup gives you freedom to perform all your sports activities during the period too. Graduate to Everteen Menstrual Cup and be unstoppable. If you want to try it today, you can order Everteen Menstrual Cup from the site of Everteen, that is www.everteen.co.in, or you can also buy from your favorite online store like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Nykaa, Purple, Big Basket, Paytm, Shopclues or any other. Everteen, the complete feminine intimate hygiene expert.